Let's see how to flip your image or text in Microsoft Word to print on transfer paper. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now to flip an image is fairly simple. So simply click on the image you want to flip and click on picture format. Right here, you will see the rotate option. Click on the drop down and click flip horizontally. And as you can see the difference, it flips the image on towards the other side. Now to flip your text, simply insert your text box. Let's go ahead and click that. Adjust your text. And let's fill this in. And change the font as well. So to flip this text box, go over to Shape Format and click on Shape Outline. Make sure that the outline of the box is removed. And from here, click on Text Effects and click on 3D rotation options. And as you can see here, you can adjust the X, Y, or Z rotation of the text box. So let's go ahead and change the X value to 180. And there you go. It should look like a mirror image of your original text. And that is how you flip an image or a text in Microsoft Word. See you soon!